Hi, I'm Uchis, artist, singer, songwriter.
Hi, I'm Maya Murillo from Better Like.
And we're here with Tasty to beat the pro.
Hallaca version.
Two of the internet's finest face off against a professional chef, assembling or building a food item of the chef's choosing. Today's subject is hallacas. Maya and I have 5 minutes to build more hallacas than a professional chef.
So I'm Mexican-American, so I have tamales like every holiday season. So these are like with banana leaves and like the masa is different. I don't know, I'm up for the challenge, so I think we can do it. Also, we have nails on.
Clearly we're at a disadvantage.
But also, if we do this right, then it's like, is he really a chef?
I wasn't gonna mention this because I try to be humble, but I actually taught him everything he knows.
I freaking knew it.
If he beats us, I would just be happy for him, you know, like the student teaching the teacher. Let's meet him, come on. Come on down, bud.
Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you.
What's up?
Jorge, nice to meet you. I'm Jorge Rincon. I've been a chef for 20 plus years. Hallacas are my specialty. Hallacas is our biggest tradition in Venezuela. Is like a tamales, but there's a lot of more stuff inside and there's a lot of more work inside also. So it's a family and national dish. Wrapping hallacas is difficult. Usually somebody at the family is the expert. I'm not sure if Kali and Maya, they're gonna make it. This is gonna be a challenge for you, I guess. It's not easy. You have to pay attention and hopefully you are good with your hands. The steps of making hallacas are, first you have to have a really nice plantain leaf, put the masa on top and you're gonna press it and put the pork and all the decoration on top. Then is the time to just close it. Again, you're gonna fold it with another banana leaf. Kali and Maya, they won't press the masa and they're just gonna wrap it in only one leaf. Do you really think you're gonna beat me?
Yeah,
No doubt in my mind. Are you ready for the emotional
I'm ready.
damage?
I'm doing this from a long time ago.
We just did it right now, so.
A little bit more. No chicken.
No chicken.
Try to close it. You do this.
Oh, you look like you kind of got it.
I know, Kelly, what the heck?
No, that's perfect.
Let's do this.
3, 2, 1, go!
Don't put olives or I'm gonna sue you.
Kelly, it's me! So at the beginning of the day, I've only had like one hallaca in my life, so I was a little intimidated. This isn't fun.
Okay. Yeah, I've made tamales before, so I kind of figured it was gonna be the same. He's not doing anything important over there. I don't worry about the competition.
Come on, Kelly.
I'm not checking on you, Jorge.
Don't check on this. I'm so behind.
I'm not checking for you.
Okay, mine ripped.
Don't tell him when bad things happen. You gotta make
Let's
it
see,
look
you
like
have to
work.
keep the shape.
Oh my God, he's already done one.
I was focused on mine. I was just checking her hallacas and they were okay. This is the way should be. Let me show you.
Okay, you were tampering with this before because it's ripping already.
I'm almost done.
Boom. No, I'm
How
almost
many do
done
you have?
too. I'm almost done
None
too.
of your business. None of your business,
Alright.
sweetie.
Uh-oh.
One down. Oh.
Boom.
Oh.
And you have to tie it, right?
On to the next.
There's one.
I can't tie this with my nails. That's one.
We are 2-1 now.
We got this. This is...
We have 2, he has 1. I'm not worried about it at all.
I'm start having issues here.
I taught Jorge these things like a long time ago, so.
You know what? Kelly's
cool.
so chill.
Some people like to acknowledge their teachers and some people don't. Jorge's just not really one of those people, so.
No, I just want this looks pretty.
I wasn't so much worried about making it look cute because at the end of the day, it's all going to the same place.
Yeah.
When you open it, have to be just like a present.
He's so sweet. It's a competition.
Yeah, it's friendly and I know that I'm gonna win anyways. Mine were nicer. They were perfect.
Boom.
3-1.
Kelly, distract him.
Oh, right.
Distract him with your voice. You hear that?
I'm gonna fall
Vocals.
asleep.
Oh, wow. Dang, I bore Jorge now.
If this was in quality,
Who's the better rapper between the two of you?
Definitely me.
yeah, it's you for sure.
Yeah, well, really going
30
bad.
seconds.
Oh God.
30 seconds.
30 seconds for
Right
what?
already?
Okay, you know what? I'm just
30
gonna-
seconds for
I'm gonna
what?
wrap this. I'm wrapping up.
Time.
No way, really?
Did you hear that? Did you hear that in his voice? Oh, he was so stressed because he realized he was gonna lose.
Almost. Give me one more minute.
No, okay,
Oh.
okay. Jorge did this.
Turned out
I was just
fine.
nervous because of the amount of foul play that Jorge engaged in, like breaking the scissors. And Jorge tampered with my scissors.
Oh,
I
yeah.
couldn't even cut my last tamale because
time.
Jorge
Hands down, everybody.
broke
This
my
time,
scissors.
Hands down.
Jorge broke my. You know what? Yes,
Yeah.
I'm gonna cut this last one because Jorge tampered with my.
I'm
clearly
so
tampered
powerful.
with
I
my
did only with
scissors.
my eyes.
We did it.
I love that you don't mind losing. I really love that about you. That's like one of your most admirable traits.
I thought I could win, but seems like you have 6. They are not pretty though, but
Nobody was worried.
not
Nobody was
pretty.
worried about pretty.
They didn't say they had to be pretty.
No one was worried about
Well,
pretty.
I tried.
Yours look
I was
really, really
focused.
good,
Yeah,
I'm
I was
just gonna say.
focused here, but you made
But
more
we
than
did
me.
it. We did it.
Let's count and see how many I have now. I have 1 is a nice one, is pretty, and 2.
No one was worried.
Yeah, and they are delicious also. They are delicious inside.
We have 2,004. They're all sealed.
Let's see.
Sealed.
All right.
Sealed. Sealed.
Let me take a look.
No,
at
I don't want to see that
Yeah,
one.
let me
It's
see
not.
that
This one was.
I didn't realize
oh,
you were gonna be inspecting.
How many
Sealed.
is-
That one I didn't
Alright.
do that one.
Yeah, well, let's see. This is a new version. This is a new tradition.
This one maybe not sealed. This one's definitely not sealed. But either way,
That doesn't count. So
Either way, we still had more. That was clearly Maya's. I don't know what to say.
So how many do you guys have?
4,000.
I have 2,000 and a half.
We make the bro,
You did.
baby.
I got beat. Well, that happens sometimes.
You know, Jorge tried. He tried to jig the competition.
Honestly, I tried, but you won.
But we did it. We won, Callie.
You won. You have more than me.
I feel really good. I feel like I can add this on my resume.
I'm feeling powerful.
Yeah.
I just don't know how much Maya actually helped me, so I just think it's really funny that she's trying to celebrate with me when I clearly was the one who did all of those. But
I mean,
cool.
Yeah.
listen, you were faster than me, okay?
Yeah, so-
But some of them, girl, I did not do this one. This one
Oh.
was you.
I don't know. We would have to check back on the camera.
Roll
See
the
really
tape.
what it was,
Roll the
but I
tape.
don't know. Tricky, tricky.
But look at this. This is
Those are perfect.
they did a good job. But in fact, hallacas is about also how they taste and how good they are looking. So mine were really good looking hallacas.
We beat the pro. Vamos a comer. We eat them now?
Vamos.
I always knew we could do this. I always knew we had it in us. It was never our intention to end your career. That was not the intention. So I just want to say that his were prettier than ours.
They were really pretty. But listen, like, thank you so much for taking the time to be here with us and for letting us play this like little game with you. I cannot wait to like taste this.
Please taste that, and it's
We
really
love you
good.
so much. You guys, he's so nice. Well, I had so much fun. I'm Maya from Better Like.
I'm Uchis, and my new single Solita's out now. Thank you, Tasty, for having us. And we beat the pro.
Well, we love you.
Sorry about it, buddy.
Thank you.
Bye.
Oh yes.